This channel, Dylan Anderson, makes crazy amounts of money copy-pasting other people's YouTube shorts. Let me show you the proof. At the moment he has more than 5 million YouTube subscribers, and back when he had only a little bit over 2 million YouTube subscribers, Social Blade estimated that he was making up to $3.9 million a month, and on the lower end $241,000 a month, and even tens of millions of dollars in yearly earnings. And now he's possibly making even more because he has more than 5 million subscribers. And here is another channel that only creates YouTube shorts called Panda Shorts, and they have more than 7.2 million YouTube subscribers, and they do the same. They copy paste other people's videos and then they make a simple reaction. These people show their faces, but Dylan Anderson doesn't even show his face to make money with all of these videos. And in this video I will show you how to make money copy pasting YouTube shorts even without showing your own face. If you don't know me before, I'm the founder of a popular YouTube channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people every single day to earn money from home all around the world. And on this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, and in my program that goes with the same name, I help people every single day to make money on YouTube. And as you saw in the previous video on my channel, there are 3 powerful ways to make money with YouTube shorts that I am also using. First of all, you can make some money from YouTube ads. Second, you can make a lot of money by copy pasting links. For example, with this program I earned $12,800 in the last 1 month by copy pasting links. And third, you can make more money when people subscribe to your channel and then they see other videos on your channel. And what is this make money copy pasting YouTube shorts strategy that Panda Shorts, Dylan Anderson and many other people are making money on YouTube every single day? It's 5 simple steps. Step number 1. You find a popular video, for example on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Step number 2. You remove the watermark if you are using a TikTok video. I will show you how to do that. Third, you will make your own reaction like Panda Shorts is doing, or you add a reaction. I will show how you can do it on Canva. Then you come to YouTube and you click here create, and then you click here upload and publish your video. And step number 5 is that you will earn money. Now we will go through the whole process in a great detail, step by step, from beginning until the end. But if you are enjoying this video so far, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my channel with all of your friends who like to make money on YouTube, so they can start receiving money as well. So the first step in our process is to find popular videos, and TikTok is one of the famous platforms where you can do it, because most of the videos right here are less than 60 seconds, so they are perfect for YouTube. And here you can also search with keywords like funny videos, and you can find videos with 32 million views, 2.6 million views. Here you have 48 million views. And some people like to have, for example, dog videos. Let me show you right here. More than 10 million views, 35 million views. Some people prefer to use cat videos, and you can see 56 million views. Absolutely amazing. You can see here 71 million views. And now you're wondering, but hey,
how to get these videos without the watermark?
Let me show you. You open that on the computer. You can also do this on your phone, and then you copy a link. You click here copy link, and then you can use any of these tools, for example Snapstick or SSS Stick, and then you can paste your link here. You click here paste, you click here allow, and then you click here download, and then you click here download again, and you can see that I have downloaded the video successfully. If we go to downloads, let me open this one for you to show that it's now on my computer. I can play the video right here, and it's 70 seconds long, so it's perfect for YouTube Shorts. And the fact that I know that it has good potential for YouTube Shorts is that it has received more than 8 million likes and more than 89,000 comments and more than 71 million views, which is completely insane. That is probably more than the population of your home country. Now, of course, when you're using other people's videos, there is a risk of copyrights or so-called demonetization. So now if you want to avoid that, you can use 2 options. You can either ask a permission from a creator of this video if you can use it, or a second option is to create your own video. But now we are going to use this one, and I will show you how the whole money making process works. And as you see, when we are watching this here on TikTok there is a watermark, but since I used the snaptick tool, I have removed the watermark. As you see, here is no watermark, so we see the original video right here. Next step is to come to Canva. I will also leave you a link in the description below my video where you can find all the resources and best tools to make money on YouTube. And then you click right here called videos, and then you choose here a mobile video and you click right there. Next you will upload the video right here. You come right here to uploads and you see some of my funny thumbnail faces here. You can click here upload files. Then you copy this one right here from your downloads. And then you come back right here, you click here paste. You will see the video right here that you have just downloaded. You click here open and the video will appear right here on your Canva. Then you can simply drag and drop this video right here. Make sure that it shows up on the full screen and you can see that now the video is showing up right here. And here you will be able to add your reaction. And now you can alternatively add your own reaction, or you can add somebody else's reaction, so you don't even need to show your face. You can see, for example, here Dylan Anderson has been adding a text on the screen, and you can see that the text isn't even perfect. So you don't need to be perfect with your videos, because this one has received more than 110 million views. So we can just imagine how much money Dylan has made by copy pasting this video. Here is another one. You can see he has been adding text for somebody else's video, and this video has received more than 65 million views. Really easy, really simple. One of the easy tools that you can use to record your audio is of course QuickTime Player. You can simply click here new audio recording. Let me show you new audio recording. Then you take this one right here and you click here record, and you will have your audio recorded. Then you click here pause and you can save the audio and you can add it on top of the video. Let's save this, for example, audio for YouTube Shorts. Then you click here copy, you click here save, then you can close this and then you can click here audio. Then you paste the text right here, you drag and drop it right here, and you can see audio for YouTube Shorts has been added to Canva, and you can easily add it here on Canva. And of course you can make it as long as the video to make sure that it's reacting for the whole video. Then you will be able to add a text by clicking here text, and then you can drag it right here, or you can even use a software if you want to make it easier. But you can type here, for example, see how a cat is surprised about the frog, or whatever you want. And let me show you another trick. One trick is also to add boxes on the top and then on the bottom, and then you simply add the audio right here as I showed you. Because when you put here share with your friends, when people share it, you will get more views from those friends, but also YouTube starts promoting your video more because they see that it's being shared. It means that people are liking it, which means that YouTube wants to show it to even more people. And then you can ask a question on the bottom, for example, do you like this video? More people will comment, which means that they will watch the video for a longer time, which means that YouTube will like it for two reasons. It will get a longer watch time and more comments. And you can add even more elements by dragging and drop right here, and then you can type here text. And if you are wondering how to make the text bigger, you simply choose the font right here, whatever you want, and then you adjust it. If it's still too big, you can simply put this one right here. It makes it smaller. So that's how easy it is to create these videos. Once you are ready with the video, make sure that it's less than 60 seconds so it will be qualified for YouTube Shorts. You click here share, then you click here download, and make sure to download it here on MP4 video, and you can see the quality right here. 1080p HD is perfect for YouTube. You click here download, and then the video starts downloading. You can see that the video has now been downloaded. I can click here to watch it to make sure that the video still looks good, and if I click here play, I will hear the video with my audio and also with the text. You can see it's the same text, no TikTok watermark, nothing. And of course I want to mention, if you want to change the color of these boxes, you can do it easily here by clicking color and change, for example. You can see that sometimes, for example, red, it grabs the attention a little bit better than black, so you can decide for yourself. Now I see the video also here on the download. See how a cat is surprised about the frog. We come back to YouTube platform, and then we come right here and we screen into create. and then click here upload video. Next you can drag and drop the video files to upload, so we can simply take this one right here. We come to this tab, then I drop it right here, and you can see that it's now uploading. It looks like you're uploading a short. All your shorts are automatically considered for shorts and revenue sharing. In other words, I will start earning money when I publish this video. And here I can put a title. One great idea is of course to take a look at other people's titles and then getting ideas from that and publishing something similar. And notice that when people are scrolling for shorts on their mobile phones, only the first 40 characters will show up. So if I would put more than 40 characters, then it shows ... So that's why I want to keep it less than 40 characters when I'm publishing YouTube shorts. Then I simply click here next. I enable the YouTube ads, so I will start earning money when people watch this video. Then click here next, 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 and next. And you can see first I publish it unlisted, and then I click here save. Now the video shows up immediately here on my content, and I can click here to details. Next steps that I want to do is to add a description and then add a few tags right here on the bottom, because that will also increase the reach a little bit. But adding a description is not obligatory, because if we come here to Dylan Anderson video with more than 100 million views, you can see that this, for example, doesn't even have a description. So I will delete the description right here. But one trick that I recommend for you is to add a link in the description and also in the pinned comments, so here on the comments section right here. Or another promotional thing, for example, Dylan Anderson has copied here Black Frost, which is probably his company or something else that he wants to promote to make even more money. Here is an example when I copy paste links on YouTube Shorts and made more than $12,800 by sharing my link on different YouTube videos and also different YouTube channels. You can see right here, if we come to comments, I have pinned the comment right here. And when people click it, I earn more money. And how you can do it? You will put it like this, then you click here comment, and then you can click here to pin a comment. But since I have already done it, I will delete that one right there, but you will do it yourself. For example, on this video, I can click right here, and on this one, I would want to promote something related to cats. So I would probably copy paste a link to a relevant cat product, but just to illustrate how the process works, I could, for example, go to Amazon.com, search for cat food, click here text, then click here copy, come back to this video, and then I could type here get the best cat food below, and then I click here comment, and now I will click here to pin this comment. And when people click this link, let me show you what happens. They will land on Amazon.com, and whatever they buy on Amazon, I will earn money for that. Even though they are not my products, Amazon simply pays me money when I copy paste a link, and Amazon will also pay you money when you copy paste a link from their website. And you can also add the same link or similar links in the description of your video right here. Let me show you an example. You click here save, and then you refresh this page. Now if some people come to watch your video and then they click here description, they will see the link right here. If they click it, you will start earning more and more money. Now, as you become more popular by doing this, you can also start telling to your followers that, hey, send me your funny videos and I will make a reaction. And then more and more people will start sending you their videos, and you can make funny reaction, and perhaps you can start earning more and more money like Dylan Anderson is doing. A Social Blade estimates that he's earning even millions of dollars. However, I must say that I don't know if Social Blade takes into account that they are YouTube shorts, but we can be 100% sure that Dylan Anderson is making crazy amounts of money by using this copy-pasting YouTube short strategies, because his channel has already billions and billions of views. Now, if you want to see more in detail how I personally make money on YouTube shorts, come to see the previous videos on my channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, and here you will also learn more ways to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And if you want to learn step by step how to go from zero to making a life-changing income on YouTube and how I have made it myself, come to my YouTube program, Tube Journey to Freedom, and I will show you everything you need to know from A to Z. How to build a successful YouTube channel, creating successful videos, how to monetize your YouTube channel, #1 rule for making money on YouTube, one-click strategy to earn money from YouTube, how to start earning even from your first video, the best way to earn $100,000 a year on YouTube, and much, much more. So I look forward to seeing you inside Tube Journey to Freedom program and in the next videos on my playlist, Make Money on YouTube Without Showing Your Face.